This is Ben Money, and just ignore the panting. I know I'm really panting up and down, and I've just done the Ngong hills. Been doing a constant speed all the way from where the turbines are until the top of such a hill, and we are a group of young and fearless boys and girls from MAVUNO, and I challenged myself, so I came all the way in between recording clips. So I was stopping here and there, recording time lapses, but now I want to tell you a good news. I'm almost there, and those are the only guys who are ahead of me, and I want to make a challenge and ensure that I get to finish the first. So come and race with me. Yeah. So guys, I caught up with the guys I was showing in the video. Here they are. Those are my fans, and we are almost there. 20 meters, and then we are done. We made it to. This is the third hill. Second. So look at the hill. Look at the escarpment over there. So we're on top of the hill here, and there are other guys who are over there. Uka. So yeah, we want to do someone on the mount.
Oh yeah,
and
someone on the mount, baby.
We are looking for people with beards because we are about to do beatitude. Papa Kilo made it. God is great. Aya, on to the next. Pale.
Wende hapo.
Tunaenda hadi. Pastor B, you're very lucky. You're very lucky for Ben Waimani hapa, because it is only with faith that you can move those mountains. And those mountains. Yes. So usijali, ukichoka uniambie tu nisongeshe hiyo mlima.
With faith you can move a mountain. You can tell a mountain to move,
and it will move.
And it will move.
And it moved. This is the place when you come to Ngong Hills and you are two lovebirds. You cross two trees together as a sign of love. So guys, this is not a joke. We're going to the 11th. Don't ask whether it's the hour or the hill or the kilometers. We are here out in the trails. The ambience is so good and the weather is so good. I'm taking a break, but boom, until the destination. Boom. Hey, Maina, Eke Gwere. We are not in Kenya. Tumevuka border. We are in Ohio, Texas. California. Agalia. This, if you want to buy a 50 by 100, look at your dream home. There is one over there, with a stream where you can put your small samakis and do some stuff one as you fish, smoked fish.
Welcome to Wajika Real Estate.
Yeah, so
Wajika Real Estate.
Yeah, you can get 50 by 100 in this area.
Wajika Real Estate.
Yeah.
Ohio, Texas. Woo!
So guys, I am off the trail and headed down to a stream. I hear there's a stream with fresh water. So I'm here with Brighton. We're going down with a local guide as we headed down there to see and grab some water for drinking. Yeah. So we are finally at the stream. The stream is here with fresh water. Can you imagine? Imagine, look at that. The locals from this area, they've adopted it and placed a piece of bottle, and then it's like a tap. So you just put your bottle there and it's fresh. It's clean water. It's very cold. It's refrigerated water. Hakuna mambo ya fridge, hakuna mambo ya. Imagine in the middle of Ngong forest. Here we are exploring the world. This land is beautiful. Look at the topography. Look at the nature. The silence in this place. It's just out of this world. And yeah. Wow. Ebu onja usikie. Ebu onja usikie maji fresh. Onja bro. Unasikiaje bro?
Baridi vizuri man.
Sema bila kuogopa. This is awesome. Awesome guys. Guys, we discovered a stream here in the middle of the forest where we are fetching some water. Yeah, we filled our bottles. Ready to go back. Guys, this has been awesome. Very awesome. So we filled up our bottles, headed back. It has been a nice experience coming here in Ngong Forest. We've had the trails all through down to Kiserian. It's Kiserian, right?
Yeah.
So we completed all the hills down to Kiserian, and yes, my battery is going off. So I hope you enjoyed. Peace.